Hi everyone, this is Madison and I'm her mom, and today we're gonna show you how to make these super cute, super spooky Tootsie spider pops. These spider pops are actually really easy to make and you'll need just a few simple things. Let's get started. And remember, the whole point of these is just to have fun. If they don't turn out exactly how you want, that's okay, because they're just meant to be silly spiders, right? So the very first thing you're gonna do is put your Tootsie Roll at the top in the very middle of the pipe cleaners. And then you're gonna fold one side over like a scarf.
Yes, you should fold it over like a scarf.
And then you're gonna take the other side and fold that over like a scarf. So we're giving our spider a scarf. Maybe it's a little chilly out for him. Very good. Then you're gonna pick up your spider and you're gonna kind of fan out his arms. If they're not all the same length, that's okay. Let's see, how are you doing with your fanning? Oh, that's really good. And once you get done fanning the arms out, you see how I'm doing mine, Madison? Pretty cool, right? Yeah, absolutely. I actually really like what you're doing here though, because you're making a pretty fun spider. Also, Madison and I really like cool colors, so you can use any color. Oh, that's great. All right, so I think we about have this done. All right, I'm gonna give you back your little spider here, and then we're gonna bend the bottom of each leg like this, like you're making a little L.
It's a little translator. A curved L would be so cursed. Imagine that curved L's existed.
All right. How's yours looking, Madison?
Good.
Oh, you're doing a great job. Really good. I really like the colors that you chose too with the pink. All right, so once you have the arms done.
Could you help?
Oh, absolutely. I actually think your spider has a lot more character than mine.
Okay, so.
Right, see? Very cool. And now we're gonna get ready to put on the eyes. All right, very good. So with the eyes, you're just gonna take a little dab of glue, just a little bit will do, and you're gonna sit them right on the top of the pipe cleaners. Okay, so now we'll take our glue and just put a little teeny tiny dab. Very good. And you can put them on the pipe cleaner or the Tootsie Pop itself, whatever you like. I like it. And that's how easy it is to make these super cute Tootsie Roll spiders. So make sure you like and subscribe to see more fun videos like this one. Bye everyone!
Like and subscribe or else this spider